Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Don't mind my look, I just came home from work. So with that being said, you all, I have a luxury unboxing. So if you're here for this here luxury unboxing, what y'all need to do, y'all need to click on my subscribe button, y'all, because it really helps out my channel. So with that being said, you all, here is the box. And I know you like, okay, what you get, Miss Tamika? Like, what you done got? Because now, whatever you got now, I want. Show you what I got. Again, I wasn't even looking for this. YouTube is dangerous, y'all. I'm going to tell you right now, YouTube is really dangerous. I'm just saying. So, I was watching some lady's luxury bag video, and she was like showing her she had purchased a lot of luxury items, and I was like, oh, okay, I need that. Yes, I had to jump on board and get me one, you all. So here's the inside, y'all. This is my first time ever purchasing from this particular website. As you can see, Givenchy, honey. This is Givenchy. Is that how you say it? I did request for the special packaging. Didn't charge me for it, but when I saw at the bottom, because like I tell you, on my luxury videos, I always write a note to myself, and I always request for special packaging. And I did also notice that Louis Vuitton is giving you an option to add a bag to your purchases, and I'm like, okay, Louis, like, y'all been should have caught up, because Gucci always do that. Like, Gucci been doing that since. So, you know, y'all like, okay, what you get? Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I got, y'all. Give me a minute. Give me a second. So it comes in this beautiful packaging, and I have been looking at bags from this particular brand, but I haven't seen something that really like spoke out to me where it's like, okay, I have to have it. Because y'all, before I open this box, y'all, I'm gonna just say I have been looking at the Louis Vuitton bum bag, and I've been thinking about it. I've been dreaming about it. Well, not dreaming about it, but I have been thinking about it. Because today, early this morning, someone walked in the store with a bum bag on. And mind you, I have saw a whole lot of Louis Vuittons come through that store. A bum bag, my first time. And I'm like, okay, God, is you sending me a sign telling me I need that bag? But the thing is, it's really hard to get. SA texted me maybe a few weeks ago. I'm like, damn, I wish I had the money, because I would have purchased the bag. I was like, no, I was like, no, I don't really want it right now. And at the time, I didn't have the money to purchase it. But now I'm like, okay, I think I can get it now. But the only way to get it is you will have to purchase it. You will have to special order it. And of course, with the special ordering, they charge you more. Wait up into 8 weeks. Now, the only thing with the special ordering that I'm scared of is because I never tried it on. Like the lady who had it on, she had like a big puffer coat on, and she had it like crossbody. I just want to make sure it looks right on my particular body frame, because it is kind of big in the front. And if you special order an item, I don't think you can return it. If I'm wrong, let me know down below, because I never special ordered anything from Louis Vuitton. But it seems like the only way to get that bum bag is to special order it. And if I did special order, I was going to put like the decal or the little stamp thing that you can pick from. I was going to put it on the back where you can't see it, because I didn't want to take away from the actual bag. So I was going to put the little decal or sticker thing like on the back of the bag. Actually, I don't think you can return it. So that's why I'm scared to special order, because what if I get the bag home and decide, oh my gosh, I don't like it as much as I've been loving it on other people? Because that, you know, that can happen. And that bag is not cheap if you special order. So that's the only reason why I'm kind of scared what to do at this point. I was thinking of calling Louis Vuitton and seeing if they have one in stores, just so I can try it on, even if they don't have one to sell, just to have one to try on. So now let's go on back to the unboxing. Let me tell you, I love when brands go all out. Like I do, because I don't have, it's nothing really big in here. It's nothing expensive. The items in here cost no more than $40, but I just love the presentation. Like, I am for the presentation when it comes to luxury items. This is why I love luxury things, you all. I was saying when I wrote myself a little note, and like I said, they put it on the let me see if you can see that. They put it on this here special paper. It kind of feels like a postcard paper, and it says love you, because you know you gotta love yourself. Pick samples. I always try and pick perfumes because I'm not big on like the creams and foundations and lip things or whatever in samples. I just pick perfumes and stick them in my drawer. I did get a men's and a women's. So here, Givenchy lip, what are these? Lip caps, lipstick holders. What is these? Lipstick covers? I don't know what you want to call it, because this one is, they sell both of these on Sephora, so I'll try and link them from Sephora or Givenchy. Now if you want like if you over the top like me and you want that special packaging, then yeah, I would probably order from Givenchy. But if you like, hey Miss Tamika, I just want it and don't care about all that, then I'll link it down below from the Sephora site. Didn't have this one, and this is the one that I really wanted, and I'll show you that one first. Were $15 a piece. The reason why I was almost 40 is because I did have to pay for shipping, and I wasn't even thinking I could have added one more of these here lipstick tops to make it whereas though I would have had free shipping instead of paying $8. And so yeah, you all, I wasn't thinking. So here's that. So it's really cute. It's like a leather type of material, and it has these little studs on them. It would have been nice if it was like rhinestone, like diamond studs. Well, not real diamonds, but y'all know what I mean. So I got that, a tube, so I can show you how it looks on an actual lipstick. Another one, this is the Givenchy, and if I didn't mention, this was number 53. And this one is number 62. Okay, this is cute. So this is the pink leather with the black Givenchy in the front, like fancy. Do you see that? It is so pretty. I thought I had more Givenchy lipsticks. I may have some. I just have to look for them. If not, I guess I'll be purchasing some more. If y'all didn't watch my luxury unboxing, I did purchase a Givenchy lipstick, and this one here is like that velvet material, which we all know this hair will probably collect every bit of lint that's everywhere in my pocket or whatever. So this hair I probably will take off and keep off, and probably keep it stored in a box, because right now it's like little lint balls is getting on here, and see, that would drive me crazy. I really didn't think this through. I think this was on sale. This is why I purchased it. I'm 100% sure, not 100% sure, but I do think it was on sale. It's the first packaging. Okay, so the gold looks cute. This was a limited edition lipstick. So the lipsticks are all silver, but like I said, this was like a Christmas edition lipstick, so it do have the gold at the bottom. It's nice with the gold and the silver. I'm not sure if you can see, like, it don't look that bad. First lipstick tube, well, the first lipstick cap, or whatever you want to call it. So that's the good thing about these here lipsticks by Givenchy. You can switch out the caps, so you don't have to always keep the same. I know I have more. It may be inside of my vanity, because I know I have more Givenchy lipsticks. Okay, I like this one. I think I'm gonna keep this one on here. And this one have a little extraness to it, but it's crazy because they both were still $15. Like, this wasn't extra because of the extraness on it, like the little studs. It was the same price as this. And they have lots of colors. Like, if you're not a fan of pink, they have a whole lot of other colors, and again, they are only $15. And I was just like, okay. So yeah, this is, YouTube made me do this. Like, YouTube made me buy this. Like, did I need this? Absolutely not. But again, I'm always watching YouTube, and I saw her video, because I was like, oh, I could have got this during the VIB sale. But again, I wasn't even thinking that I needed this. But clearly I do. So, being said, that was the end of my unboxing. Like I told you, it was really, really quick. I saw the box and I was like, oop, let me go ahead and unbox with you all. Because again, this is my first time ever purchasing something from the actual website. I have purchased makeup from this brand before, but not from the actual website. I normally get it from Sephora, Nordstrom's, or Bloomingdale's. But I just wanted to take advantage of the special packaging. I ordered from the website. So y'all, with that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed this here really quick unboxing. Yep, and I have a few, not a few, I have a special unboxing coming up. So make sure you click on my subscribe button, y'all, because it really helps out my channel. Because I'm telling you, this year I'm claiming it in the name of Jesus. Y'all gonna get your girl to 10,000 this year. Like, come on, y'all. It's the beginning of January. We got a whole new year. I think I'm at like 6, close to 7. Y'all gotta get me to 10,000 before the end of 22. Like, I cannot go into 2023 under 10,000. Like, I just can't. I can't. So with that being said, you all, video a big thumbs up because it really, really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button. That's right, click, 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 because it really, really helps out my channel. And with that being said, you all, I will talk to y'all in my next unboxing or video or vlog or whatever I decide to post. So with that being said, bye.